there, little artists! Are you ready to color a super cute kawaii Christmas tree? Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's get started. We have our adorable Christmas tree, just waiting for your magic touch. It's shaped like a big friendly triangle. Isn't it cute? First, let's give this tree some sparkle by coloring the stars and the ornaments. Maybe you want to color the ornaments in blue, red, and lavender. So cute, right? Let's get started. Now let's color the tree itself with the color green. And there you have it, a beautifully colored kawaii Christmas tree all ready for the holidays. You can always add your personal touch, maybe some little hearts, stars, or cute animal friends hanging out near the tree. Great job, artist! You made the cutest Christmas tree ever! Have fun with your coloring, and remember, creativity has no rules, just lots of joy and color. Happy holidays!